Hi guys, welcome back. This is a video about a HESS truck parade. I only have the HESS trucks 2013 through 2018, and I just want to do a little parade. So it's coming up right now, okay? I'm gonna set it up for you. I'm gonna play music and stuff, okay? This charger's in the way. I'm setting up. I'm silly. I'm supposed to. The next car is supposed to be. Yeah. Not telling you because I'm setting up. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna play some music now. All right. I'm gonna move it over. Do that so you can see the cars pass by. Bye. I'm just gonna find a music video. Please Me. I'm gonna do that song. You know that song, Please Me by Cardi B or something, Bruno Mars. I'm gonna play that song. Okay.
Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please. Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say,
Apparently, all the cars do not have a little thing on the top, like their little friend or car or something, the transportation thing. I don't know. That's right. I think I lost them.
I was trying to lay low, taking it slow. When I'm picking again, hey, gotta celebrate. Your man look good, but I'm away. If you can sweat the weave out, you shouldn't even be out. There no reservations at the wall. You go I'm gonna ride it through, just how you like it tonight. And after that, let's do it one more time. Girl, I ain't one for begging, but now you got me begging. Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You know what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please. Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You know what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please. What is so down? What is so soft? Bet you wanna smack it again. Hey, let me demonstrate. Hit it one time, make it levitate. What's that now? Yo, basura, ochata. Gonna ride it, do it just like you like it tonight. And after that, let's do it one more time. Girl, I ain't one for begging, but now you got me begging. Please me, babe. Turn around and just tease me, babe. You know what I want and what I need, baby.
HESS trucks 2013 through 2018. All right. So yeah, those are the HESS trucks 2013 through 2018. So yeah, those were. My grandpa bought me these HESS trucks for Christmas. Like each year for Christmas, he buys me every HESS truck. Since when I was a little kid, when I was like 6, he started buying me those HESS trucks. Yeah, I like them. Yeah, and please leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you soon, okay? And subscribe to my channel, okay? Hit that red subscribe button. And put 100 subscribers so I can do live streams, because it's so annoying YouTube done this about the live stream. I can't do it anymore. I have to have 100 subscribers. Alright? Peace. Have any questions? Please comment down below. Peace.